There was a time when I felt like a complete failure. Every morning I'd wake up with that knot in my stomach, scrolling through my phone, watching others live the life I wanted, while I stayed stuck in a job I hated, barely surviving. I had no money, no plan, no idea how to break free. Until one day, I stumbled on a video, a random short that said, "You don't need a camera to win on YouTube, you just need a system." It sounded like BS, but something about it felt different. So I clicked, I watched, then I watched again. This wasn't hype, it was a method, a blueprint, a step-by-step plan used by faceless creators pulling in thousands every single month. And the craziest part, they weren't influencers, they weren't famous, they were just smart. I decided to try. I followed the program, Tube Mastery and Monetization. It taught me how to pick the right niche, how to use AI tools to script, edit, and publish high-performing videos. I didn't show my face, I didn't record anything, I didn't even talk. But my videos, they started getting views, then subscribers, then money. $27, $198, $473, then one day, $1,027 in a single week. That's when it hit me. I had created something bigger than me. I had built a machine, a channel that works 24/7, even while I sleep. My friends didn't get it. My family laughed at first, but now they ask me for advice. YouTube changed my life, not because I got lucky, but because I followed a proven system. If you're still dreaming of escaping the 9 to 5, if you're tired of wasting time editing videos that nobody watches, or if you've ever wanted to earn money online but didn't know where to start, then don't wait. Tube Mastery isn't hype. It's the roadmap I wish I had found sooner. Click the link, watch the free training, and build the channel that sets you free. The only difference between who I was and who I am now is the moment I clicked play.